So hello guys, welcome back to the part 3 of this NSTP video about dengue. So now, we are discussing the 5 stages of birth cycle of a mosquito. The 5 stages of birth cycle of a mosquito is eggs, larva, pupa, adult emerges, and adult. So as you can see in the picture, these are the 5 stages of birth cycle of a mosquito. So let me explain to you each one of the 5 stages. So the first one is eggs. Adult female mosquitoes lay their eggs on the inner wet walls of containers with water above the water line. Mosquitoes generally lay 100 eggs at a time. These are the pictures of an egg of mosquito. So the second is larva. Larva in plural is larvae, which means it calls wriggler. It lives in water, molts several times. Most species surface to the breathed air. Mosquito larvae called wrigglers are aquatic with a large head and thorax and narrow worm-like abdomen. They typically hang just below the water surface, breathing air through tubes at the end of the abdomen. These are the example pictures of a larva. Third is pupa. Pupa, the pupal stage is a resting, non-feeding stage. This is the time the mosquito turns into an adult. It takes about 2 days before the adult is fully developed. When development is complete, the pupal skin splits and the mosquito emerges as an adult. Mosquito pupae, commonly called tumblers, live in water from 1 to 4 days, depending upon species and temperature. The pupa is lighter than water and therefore floats at the surface. It takes oxygen through two breathing tubes called trumpets. The pupa does not eat, but it is not an inactive stage. So let's jump into the fourth. The fourth is adult emerges. The newly emerged adult rests on the surface of the water for a short time to allow itself to dry and all its body parts to harden. The wings have to spread out and dry properly before it can fly. Only female mosquito bite animals and require a blood meal. Larvae feed on microorganisms in the water. After molting 3 times, the larva becomes a pupa. Pupae will develop until the body of the newly formed adult flying mosquito emerges from the pupal skin and leaves the water. These are the example pictures of a adult emerges. Let's jump to the 5th and the last stage of birth cycle of a mosquito. And the 5th stage is adult. When development is complete, the pupal skin splits and the adult mosquito the newly emerged adult rests on the surface of the water for a short time to allow itself to dry and all its body parts to harden. These are the example pictures of the adult. So that is the 5 stages of the birth cycle of the mosquito. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.